This is Nikki Sobrano. Welcome back to my channel. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan and I believe that you miss me, and yes, of course, I miss you guys. And even though I did not do my vlog for almost 2 months, but then you are still there for me. You always support my channel. And then later on, I will reveal the reason why I stopped my vlogs. All right. So, do you remember last January, February that my YouTube was suspended? And during my birthday on March, I got monetized. And, after 3 weeks, I was demonetized again. And just last other day, September 28th, I was monetized again. And, actually, pinag-iisipan ko talaga if I will continue my vlogs or I will stop my YouTube. But then there is something who whispered in my ears that, Nikki, you need to continue your vlogs. Please continue your vlogs kasi pinaghirapan mo yan. And then, after all, ayun, ito na ngayon, YouTube messaged me that my channel is again partner of the YouTube program and I was monetized. Then, after 3 days, after 3 days of my monetization, I'm still thinking of it if I will continue. And of course, I just realized that oo nga, pinaghirapan ko to for a month bago ako na-monetize. Then, I said to myself, oo, pinaghirapan ko nga itong aking YouTube bago ako na-monetize. And then, now, naisip ko talaga na I think I will continue. Kasi alam nyo guys, 3 times I was demonetized and 3 times also I was monetized. First reason is, kung bakit ako na-demonetize. First, YouTube told me that I did not follow the guidelines. First, yung sa short video ko, na nag-upload po ako ng aking short video and I put my picture without any action, something like parang nagiging estatwa ako sa aking vlogs doon na merong singer na kumakanta and I just put only my picture, so hindi pala pwede yan. So, if you do some shorts video as a blogger, as a reaction blogger to the song, to the different types of song, you need to react on it. So, I admit it, that's my mistake. And second, I had a lot of copyright. Of course, makaka-copyright ka talaga sa mga kantang ginagawan mo ng reactions. And this is the reason why also I feel disappointed that sometimes meron akong naging reaction na mga video song na sometimes the owner didn't want me to share the income. They take it all. And then second, yung pangalawa is sometimes the owner, they want sharing. So we share for the income. And then third, yung pangatlo is sometimes my video was ineligible and then blocked. And you wonder why I have some other vlogs there that like it reached to 1 month, 2 months, but the views is only 100 plus. And that vlogs was ineligible and was blocked to some other territories. And sometimes it totally blocked. Ganun yan kung bakit kayo hindi nagba-viral yung videos ko. And then, if it is ineligible, meaning hindi siya ma-monetize, tawag nito, hindi siya malagyan ng ads. So, kaya minsan pinag-isipan ko sarili ko, do I need to continue this vlogs? And yun, I told you just now that there is something like whispered in my ears that you need to continue your vlogs. At alam nyo ba, I started this blog before. I'm doing cooking content. There are some of my videos are viral and there are not. But after that, YouTube messaged me that better to choose other content that would be that will viral. So I stopped cooking and I do my personal blog. So I'm doing blogging, and this is it again. Sometimes I have 98 views. Hindi siya naging viral ang aking mga videos. So I'm so tired. I'm so tired. But then, actually, I have a lot of my viewers message me, Nikki, why you stop your personal blogs? We love to see your blogs. Marami man nagme-message sa akin. Kaya nga lang, another one, nag-message ulit si YouTube sa akin, nagsabi na better to find another content. So, I met my another blogger that she make a reaction song video. Before also, she make a personal blog. And then, hindi din nag-viral, so nag-ship siya ng reaction video. So, I tried to do some reaction video about the songs of different singers, different artists. And there, I found out na, ayun, maraming nagba-viral sa aking videos talaga. At maganda kasi pag sa isang mong vlogs, marami kang viewers at hindi siya nag-copyright, so malaki-laki din kikitain mo dyan. Especially pag ang mga your viewers was in United States or in Europe. So, of course, mataas yung rate. So, na-excite ako doon. So, I do the reaction song video and I have a lot of my viewers. They requested me a song of this singer and then that singer, and I want this song. So, I tried to do that one and become viral. So, I am so happy with it. But then, alam niyo minsan, akala ko okay na kasi yung sa monetization niya is there is no marking there that I was copyrighted, or ineligible. Nagiging on yung monetization niya. And then after 5 months, after 3 months, I received a copyright claim. My gosh. And this is now, doon na yung income ko pinaghati. Sometimes, the owner, hindi sila nagbibigay, kinukuha nilang lahat. Parang yun yung mga bagay na parang na-disappoint ako. But then, I think to myself that kung papalitan ko naman ulit ng content, baka mawalan na ako ng mga viewers. Actually, my last demonetization is, YouTube told me that try to delete some videos that you did not follow the guidelines, or you can change your content. But then I realized if I want to change again my content, alam mo, mahirap din. Magpalit ka ng content mo, lalo pa nang hindi ka maraming viewers, madidemonetize ka rin. Madidemonetize ka. So, I promised to myself, maybe I will continue this content. I will do a reaction song video, continue this one, and I will upload daily. Mag-upload na ako ng daily, so para ma-maintain ko ang aking mga views. And third reasons na napatigil din po ako because marami din po ako nagiging event. Kasi isa din po akong event organizer, designer, nagde-design ng mga decorations, and sometimes I do hosting if my friend or some of my other client, they want me to do some hosting, so I grab it. So, tinatanggap ko. So, that's the reason also na hindi din ako nakapag-vlogs. Kasi sometimes, I have a sudden event. Sometimes sunod-sunod, sometimes like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Kaya, nawala na sa list ko ang pagba-vlogs ko. Kasi of course, as an event organizer, you need to ayusin mo lahat ng program, iisipin mo lahat yung mga decorations, at yung decorations at pag-organize ng program. Yung pag-hosting, okay lang. Being an MC or a host of the event is hindi kasi pare-pareha. It depends on the event. So, ipa-iba-iba din po ang pag-host ko. Kaya that's the reason why na wala din ako sa focus doing my vlogs. Even though my work from home like virtual assistant also, I did not focus din kasi gawa nitong mga event-event ko. Kasi, guys, if the things is your passion, kahit gaano kahirap, kasi passion mo, parang napakadali. Kasi there's a lot of my friends also ask me, how you do it? It's something like so tiring. Then I said to myself, no, it's not. I'm so happy. And I really love to do these things because this is my passion. At napakabilis kong gumawa, especially pa na pag ako lang talaga ang gagawa. Ayoko yung may magkaroon ng may mag-interrupt sa akin. Pag once na nakalagay sa utak ko, dire-diretso ko yung magagawa at napakabilis ko. Pero kung may kasama po ako sa paggawa ng pagde-design, lalo ako na out of focus, kaya lalo ako nahirapan, lalo nade-delay yung gawa ko. That's the reason why natigil din ako sa pagba-vlogs. At yun, doon ako din na umpisa na demonetize, gawa sa mga lahat ng reasons na yun. But anyway, I was monetized again. So I hope you guys will continue to support me, will continue to share my videos to your friends, and sana hindi nyo ako iiwan because I believe that because of you guys, I'm here. Nandito po ako. Kung wala kayo, wala din ako dito. Sana guys, huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa to continue to support me. Sana babalik ulit yung aking mga viewers na nawala na sana sa pag-upload ko ng panibago kong videos. Sana you will continue to support me also. At ito pa, I decided also, pinag-iisipan ko pa rin to open new channel, but then I want to grow this channel. Pag mag-grow na ito guys for my daily upload videos, so baka gagawa ako ng another vlogs ko. That was my personal vlog. Kasi actually, gusto ko sana nang gumawa ng panibagong vlogs, but then nasa agreement na ni YouTube na bawal kang mag-open ng another channel. If you have already a channel, then you are demonetized, then you make another channel, lalo kang ma-face out sa YouTube program. Tatanggalin ka lahat. So, hindi ka na makabalik. That is forever, matanggal ka talaga. So, this is it guys. That's the reason why nawala ako. I hope everyone will understand me, everything about those reasons, and I try my best to upload my videos daily. So until here guys, and thank you so much for always supporting my channel, and God bless us all. I love you.